There was a comment from one of the subscriber who is an ardent follower of these episodes. The oldest human existence, human fossil, genetically found was of the order of million years. Although there was no clarity exactly how many years back, but there was, of the approximately of the order of 1 million years. While the oldest bird fossil existence found on this planet was of the order of 100 million years. Some microorganism seems to have existed in the order of billion years ago. Earth itself was seemed to have formed about 5 billion years ago. Now, as per the Lalita Sahasranama, the epic sacred text describing the history of events from time immemorial, there was human activity in Kruta Yuga, Treta Yuga, Dwapara Yuga, etc., etc. And Kruta Yuga was the beginning of the universe after formation of the earth. So the question is how to justify the scientific finding that oldest human gene found is only million years old. So what happened remaining 4.999 billion years? The answer is as follows. As per Ramayana and Lalita Sahasranama, the humans who lived during early part of the universe exhibited special characteristic known as Kamarupa, meaning they can acquire any form or shape as they wish. This hypothesis can be proved based on the famous formula proposed by perhaps the most significant scientist in 20th century, Albert Einstein. The formula is E equal to mc square, meaning if the physical mass travels at the speed of light, all the mass gets transformed into light energy. That is transfer of mass energy or inertia energy into radiation energy. So it appears that some super soul that descended onto earth during early phase of universe acted like transducers. Transducer means a device that can transform one form of energy into another form of energy. For example, biological to electrical, mechanical to electrical, etc., etc. So in this case, inertia energy into radiation energy. Such an extraordinary act can be performed only if individual is equipped with very many characteristics, and hence these individuals were not limited by 24 chromosomes as we are currently. It is estimated scientifically it is estimated that human being possess tens of thousands of genes, perhaps 20 to 50,000. But if the individual is equipped with hundreds of thousands of genes or millions, they can indeed perform extraordinary feats. In Valmiki Ramayana, Rama and his his co-brothers, they were born beyond genetics. So it may be possible their DNA or beyond the detection limit of current technology. So it may also be possible some of these super souls may had different biological systems in which their body fluid was not blood, not liquid, but instead a light or radiation medium. Their body is filled with light or radiation medium. So to conclude, oldest humans that inhabited Earth were only million years old is a kind of premature and understatement. We will continue on this topic in the next episode also. Welcome to the 176th episode of Lalita Divya Rahasya Sahasranama Stotra. Next nama is Vidya Vidya Swarupini. The two extremes of faculty of discretion, functioning of the faculty of discretion. The window of operation of discretion or indiscretion is determined if we are beyond that window. Obviously, if we can form the window only when we operate beyond that window. This kind of karmacharana in a witness mode is being executed through the nama Vidya Vidya Swarupini by 7th generation Kalyana human. Vidya means application of discretion in the action cycle of karmacharana. Avidya is indiscretion or beast-like karmacharana. Beyond these two extremes, soul-driven karmacharana in a witness mode is being initiated, and that is Vidya Vidya Swarupini. Application of Vamachara or anti-clockwise in combination with Paschimāyana Purvāyana or east-west direction will fetch greater results. There is no doubt about that. However, the risk factor is that individual can drift towards excessive sense gratification or can succumb to the senses and thus can lose the connection with soul. In this road, the discretion ability of the faculty of discretion will be ignored by faculty of mind as well as the senses. And this is called avidya. In this state, individual exhibits excessive tamoguna karmacharana. Samayachara means as per the prevailing situations at a given point in time, Dakshinachara or Vamachara is being chosen. Samayachara is anchoring to the time, passage in phase with passing time. That is just anchoring to the time as per the time, that is as per the needs of the time, as per the situation of the time, prevailing situation of the time, acting accordingly, that is Samayachara. There is no past and future in Samayachara, so the entire focus is on the current, and that is Samayachara. Samayachara practicing of Samayachara leads to witness mode operation, but Samayachara does not necessarily mean witness mode operation. Therefore, Samayachara operation will allow senses and faculties in an orderly manner, functioning of this in an orderly manner. And discretion plays a vital role through the Vidya form in Samayachara. Hence, here Rajogunas are being used. Beyond Uttarayana, Dakshinayana or Paschimāyana, Purvāyana lies the highest form, that is Graha Yoga, witness mode operation. The Kamacharana cycle in Graha Yoga will allow Panchabrahma, Maheshwara, Narayana forms as well as the soul energy to grow and prosper further. This kind of Kamacharana utilizes Sattva Guna. So the three gunas, Samoguna, Rajoguna and Sattva Guna, predominantly in what circumstances they can be used would have been discussed here. The Sattva Guna are associated with Rudragrandhi, Rajoguna with Vishnu Grandhi and Tamoguna with Brahma Grandhi. It was elucidated in the Nama Nichya Shodasika Rupa about the 16 qualities of 7th generation Kalyana human or Hiranyagarbha. Now with the commencement of Sattva, Raja, Tamo Guna, the 7th generation human have acquired a total of 19 characteristics or guna. Through the Nama Vidya Vidya Swarupini Nitya Mukta re-enters planet Earth. With this Nama, this sloka is completed. Vyapini Vividhakara Vidya Vidya Swarupini. What does it mean? Vyapini as a faculty of intellect, Vividhakara as faculty of personality, and Vidya Vidya Swarupini as faculty of discretion. If the individual opts for Tamoguna in execution of the Karmacharana, Matangi form of Dasamahavidya nourishment will happen. Then the order of progression will be Matangi Vidya saturation, and from transforming that into Tara Vidya, and Tara Vidya to Kali, and Kali Vidya transforming into Bhuvaneshwari. From Bhuvaneshwari, the control is passed to Bhairavi, Tripura Bhairavi, and from Tripura Bhairavi, finally Kamalatmika is being practiced. It was mentioned Kamalatmika is the highest form of this Mahavidya, and through Kamalatmika Vidya, any number of techniques can be performed. So this is the order of progression of Dasamahavidya nourishment internally when the individual opts for tamogunas. Similarly, the sequence of order can be worked out for predominantly Rajoguna driven and Sattva based karmacharanas. Next Nama we will discuss in the next episode. Thank you.